So in today's video, we're going to look at COUNTIF and COUNTIFs. The difference between COUNTIF and IFs is whether you have one criteria that you want to count a set of data on or multiple criteria. So here I just want to get a count of how many Americans exist in this column. So and British and Danish and everything. So this is the data here. This is just the summary of the data. Obviously, usually this would be like on a different tab or something, but just for ease of view sake, I've put it right here. So let's start with this. So I want to do equals COUNTIF, the range that I'm counting. So this is the range. Obviously, it could be theoretically any range, but I want to count the number of nationalities. And then based on the criteria of American. Now, I could type in American too. I'll just show you what that looks like. It's still going to say 45, but I will show you why you don't want to do that. So American, but if I use just the value that's in K2, I can then copy this down, select flash all this down. So this will give me a count of how many times there is an American in this column. So there's 7 British, 1 Danish, all the way down, 45 Americans. Now, let's say I want to say how many male Americans there are. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a COUNTIFs because this is now multiple criteria. So COUNTIFs. Now I want to do, it works very similar as the first one. So I'm going to do the nationality first. So column B based on column K. And then I want to count the number of gender. Now I can type this in just like I did before. Oh, that's not going to work because that's spelled wrong, which is why you shouldn't type it in. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.